Well, I was looking for a dentist, and I loved your ad that talked about how dental science was also an art form, that the teeth should represent the person and be as beautiful as they were intended to be. Absolutely. We've been doing this. I think we actually had an anniversary in the middle of this, but no, it's been fantastic. So not only did I get the smile I wanted, but also fixed a lot of the mechanical parts that are working better than I'd ever thought could. Yeah, so obviously my case was a little bit complicated, having kind of a lifelong condition that we were trying to resolve, some prior work, undo some things, fix some other things, and then work on really the cosmetic look of the smile. But I know we spent a lot of time and probably more than one consult going through all the options and trying to figure out what would work the best. So it was really gave me a lot of confidence that we were going to get to the right place.
Yeah.
Definitely the bite. I remember when we first started even trying to take molds, we couldn't even get a bite that was consistent because I couldn't even bite up and down the same way twice in a row. So these days biting is easy, chewing is easy, flossing is easy, keeping up with the maintenance is easy. I don't have the jaw pain. I'm not, there's no weird creaking and crunching and things scraping. So it's been amazingly easy. In my case, it was a lot about aesthetics from the pre-existing condition, and I hadn't really even considered how much the mechanics and the operational part mattered because I was very focused on getting the aesthetic look. And so this has been just such a bonus. It's unbelievable to think that dental care is this easy now.
Yeah.
Because people have said, oh, you seem much happier lately, and I think it's just that I'm smiling all the time. I'm not worried about a gum line being off or a chip in a tooth. So it's so easy to smile because you feel good when you smile. You know it looks good when you smile. I have a friend that's undergoing some dental work, and she's like, oh, let me see yours. I want a picture to show my dentist. So I thought that was the ultimate compliment there. But yeah, a lot have noticed that a cab driver told me one time that I had a very nice smile, so random people will just notice that it was done fantastic. Aside from that, the periodontist, anybody else I've been to has taken a look even when we were doing temporaries and said, wow, this is good, this is going to be great. Would send everybody I know here, just if for nothing else, they may not need the level of restorative work that I had, but you know, the staff is friendly. For someone who's had a lot of dental work, the compassion and the empathy for the amount of time that the staff takes great care of you from start to finish, from general care to more advanced care. So I think everybody should come here and see you.